Good morning. We are here to hear the case of the opposition party versus the Election Commission regarding the removal of 50,000 voters from the registry. Let us begin. This case, which has sparked nationwide attention, sees the opposition party challenging the Election Commission's decision to delist a considerable number of voters. The Election Commission, standing by its decision, cites Section 45 of the Electoral Act as the foundational basis for their action. This statute mandates the removal of ineligible voters to preserve the integrity of the electoral process. In a bid to ensure this integrity, the Election Commission embarked on a verification process which revealed a number of individuals with either incomplete documentation or duplicate entries. As a result, this large-scale delisting was deemed necessary. In response to questions about the notification process, the Commission acknowledges, Your Honor, notices were issued through public announcements and our website. However, given the time constraints, individual notifications were not feasible. Counsel for the opposition party, your response? The room fills with anticipation as the opposition party counsel rises. Their argument is straightforward, yet potent. They assert that the Election Commission's reliance on public announcements was grossly insufficient, causing the disenfranchisement of voters without proper notice. They paint a vivid picture of these voters, not as mere numbers on a list, but as flesh and blood citizens, many of whom are perfectly legitimate, yet now barred from exercising their constitutional right to vote. This, they argue, is an egregious violation of their right to participate in the democratic process, a cornerstone of our society. The Council's voice rings with conviction as they conclude, we request immediate reinstatement of all 50,000 voters and a transparent verification process after the election. Administrative convenience cannot override constitutional rights. This final statement hangs in the air, a powerful reminder of the stakes at hand. I have heard both sides. The judge's voice echoes in the chamber, leaving no doubt of the gravity of the situation. The right to vote is fundamental to our democracy, and maintaining accurate voter rolls is a critical part of that process. However, the importance of due process and fairness cannot be overstated. The judge's tone hardens as he continues. The timing of the Election Commission's action, so close to the election date, raises questions about its impact on the electoral integrity. More importantly, the Commission's failure to provide adequate notice and appeal mechanisms before delisting voters is deeply concerning. The judge's final words ring out, solid and resolute. Therefore, I order the reinstatement of the 50,000 voters. The Election Commission shall conduct a transparent post-election verification process and implement safeguards for future roll maintenance. Democracy demands inclusion, not exclusion. So ordered. And with that, the gavel falls, sealing the verdict.